Rock and roll, guys. I've caught up with Tony here, and he's come up with this brilliant idea to save our lives. So I'm going to push this because I believe in it, and I think it's bloody cool. So Tony's going to show us all about it and how it works, and yeah, get amongst it.
I love his enthusiasm. It's awesome.
This is a good idea. Listen to this. Watch this.
Okay, I know everybody's attention span's really, really short, so I'll keep it really quick. What we're trying to do here is develop a seatbelt system, a modern lap and diagonal seatbelt system for classic old vehicles. So we've got here, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a 1964 Cadillac. It's a pillarless car.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, nice old car. Everything about it's great, except it's got lap seatbelts, which are bloody awful. We've seen some horrible accidents helping the serious crash unit where people have died wearing lap seatbelts in really, really low speed crashes. So the common theme is that they sustain massive chest injuries, hitting the steering wheel and really surviving accidents. So what we're trying to do is develop a system, or we have done, I shouldn't say try, we've done it. We've developed a fully tested structure that contains a modern inertial reel lap and diagonal seatbelt for an old car. So, I don't know, Kelvin, you might want to just quickly poke your camera at the structure, it's enough for me, and show them the system sitting in the car. There's no belt hanging down looking ugly, it's all contained tidily, and it doesn't mess up the styling of a convertible or a colourless car. So really, really hoping this is something that might over time save a few lives and make people feel more comfortable when they're driving their old classic car, because they're wearing a really nice modern lap and diagonal seatbelt, properly retained within the car in the event of a collision.
This is a great idea. I'm going to grab the camera and I'm going to show you the bits.
So the idea here is we're doing this. This is a DIY deal, so it's not something we're selling. This is a structure that's built and finished in its raw state. It's really, really low tech. We've deliberately kept it really simple, making it out of simple materials like RHS and flat bar, so that people can do it themselves in their home garage. You can buy a kit of parts here from Metcon Engineering. All the steel parts you need to build it, you can buy it in one hit. It's only about $280. Then you can crack in and build the system yourself at home, tack weld it together, and then get a gun engineer to carry out the final welding and install it yourself. So it's a really, really simple process. It won't cost a whole lot of money. And then we've got a procedure. We've developed a really comprehensive procedure here, and it's a step-by-step guide. It's over 40 pages, so it really tells you everything you need to know about exactly how to build the system, all the double plates you need, and how to install it so that you've got safe lap and diagonal seatbelts.
Awesome. I'm going to show you inside the car now. This is what it looks like. So down the back, you can upholster it whatever you want. So it's just a cage, and you cover it and do what you want with it. And then around the front, you have your diagonal belt. Boom, just like that. So you've got a lap belt that's going to cut you in half, and it's going to hold you in your seat instead of sliding around like we always do. Because we all know when we get in these old things we slide around. So, yeah, I reckon this is cool. This is a brilliant idea.
I'll jump and put it on.
Oh, there you go. There you go. We've got a stud model here.
So like I've jumped in the car and I'm just pulling on the seatbelt just like you normally
Just like
would.
normal.
Popping that.
Look at that.
And it might seem a little bit weird because it's going the opposite way. It's going from the centre to the outside, but from a physics perspective it makes absolutely no difference. So I'm locked in. I'm sitting here in my pillarless car.
There you go.
And
Arms through out the window.
There's no ugly seatbelt hanging down.
Yeah,
and I'm safe.
yeah. How cool is that?
Yeah.
That is such a cool idea. I love it. Excellent. And it still looks like your everyday old car.
Yeah.
Yeah, you haven't changed the aesthetics. It still looks cool.
And that's really important to us crazy car guys that love old cars.
I'd say, even your home builds where you're building your coupes and your Tudors and that sort of thing, you can still do it. You can still do it in this, you know. I reckon it's a cool idea.
Right.
Good on you, man.
Thanks, Colin. Really appreciate it.
Rock and roll.